Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adifa Saskia Putri. My student ID number is 2434001H. Today, I want to review the situation of World Cup. The World Cup is not just about football. Every 4 years, something truly magical happens. The whole world stops just to watch. It doesn't matter where you are from or what language you speak. For 1 month, everyone tunes in. It is not just about who wins or loses the trophy, but it is about the amazing feeling and the incredible energy that we all share together. If you walk around the whole city, you will feel like you just stepped into the giant festival. The, the energy is absolutely crazy. Everywhere you look, there are thousands of fans in colorful shirts, wearing funny hats, and painting their face. There is no anger here, only pure joy, only pure joy. Fans from different countries smile, take photos, and dance together in the street. In that moment, it really feels like the world is just one big global family. Inside the stadium, the sound is unbelievable. It is loud, it is passionate, and it gives you goosebumps. When a player almost scores, 80 80,000 people gasp at the exact same time. And when a goal finally happens, the stadium will literally shake with joy. But you don't have to be inside the stadium to feel it. In a cafe, living rooms, or public fan zones, people gather around big screens. Millions of people, miles apart, holding their breath together. But honestly, the best part of the World Cup is the surprises. Sometimes a small team defeats a giant football country. When that happens, the celebration is just beautiful. It remind us why we love this game so much. Because on this stage, anything is possible. Take a look at yesterday's match between Spain and Cape Verde. Many people had never even heard of Cape Verde before, but on the pitch, names don't matter. Cape Verde played with their whole heart and managed to hold their own against a giant like Spain. The biggest star, their incredible goalkeeper. He blocked every shot, and after the match, his social media followers jumped from 50,000 to 13 million overnight. That is the power of the World Cup. In the end, that is what the World Cup is all about. It brings people together. For 90 minutes, we forget our problems, our differences, and our language barriers. We laugh, we cry, and we celebrate together. It is a beautiful celebration of human dreams, and that is why it will always be the greatest show in on earth. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.